The 40 Rules of Love by Elif Shafak. The 40 Rules of Love by Elif Shafak is a novel that weaves together two narratives, a captivating novel that intricately weaves together two distinct yet interconnected narratives. The first follows Ella Rubinstein, a middle-aged Jewish housewife in contemporary Boston, who reads a novel about the 13th century poet Rumi and his spiritual teacher Shams of Tabriz. As she grapples with the monotony of her daily life, Ella stumbles upon the novel within the novel unfolds, the transformative journey of Rumi and Shams, exploring themes of love, spirituality, and the search for divine connection. As Ella engages with the book, she undergoes her own personal awakening and discovers the profound impact of love on one's life. This discovery sets the stage for a transformative journey that transcends time and cultural boundaries. The novel within the novel unfolds the profound and evolving relationship between Rumi and Shams. Rumi, initially a respected scholar and religious figure, experiences a profound spiritual awakening when he encounters the enigmatic Shams. Shams, a wandering dervish with a unique perspective on love and divinity, challenges Rumi's conventional beliefs and opens the door to a deeper, more transcendent understanding of life. Parallel to this historical narrative, Ella undergoes her own spiritual awakening as she immerses herself in the story. The 40 Rules of Love, which Shams imparts to Rumi, serve as a guiding philosophy that resonates with Ella's own search for meaning and fulfillment. The novel beautifully explores themes of love, sacrifice, self-discovery, and the transformative power of spiritual connections. Elif Shafak's writing is both eloquent and evocative, effortlessly transporting readers across time and space. Her vivid descriptions and rich character development breathe life into the pages, making the characters relatable and their journeys deeply moving. The seamless blending of the contemporary and historical narratives creates a narrative tapestry that is both intricate and compelling. Now, as for a positive review, The 40 Rules of Love has earned its place as a literary gem. Shafak's narrative prowess shines through as she delves into the complexities of human relationships, spirituality, and the pursuit of a meaningful life. The novel's exploration of Rumi and Shams' bond serves as a poignant reminder of the transformative power of love and the profound impact it can have on one's understanding of self and the world. The 40 rules, presented throughout the novel, offer timeless wisdom that transcends cultural and temporal boundaries. Shafak masterfully intertwines philosophy, poetry, and storytelling, creating a narrative that is both intellectually stimulating and emotionally resonant. The characters are vividly portrayed, and readers find themselves deeply invested in their personal journeys. The 40 Rules of Love is more than a novel. It's an immersive experience that invites readers to reflect on their own lives and relationships. Shafak's ability to seamlessly blend historical fiction with a contemporary narrative is commendable, and the novel leaves a lasting impression, prompting readers to contemplate the profound nature of love and its transformative potential. In a literary landscape filled with various genres, this novel stands out as a poignant and thought-provoking exploration of the human spirit and the enduring power of love. Shafak's narrative skillfully explores the intersections of mysticism, love, and self-discovery, providing readers with a thought-provoking and spiritually enriching experience. The 40 Rules of Love is beckoning us to think about our relationships with our fellow human beings and ourselves. It is asking us to reconnect with our own spiritual journeys and remember our place in an interconnected cosmos. Most importantly, it reminds us about unity. We need to love one another and ourselves. A gem by Elif Shafak that captures the true notion of love in an interesting, moderately paced fictional plot. Here I note some lines and phrases that hit directly home. Quotes, thoughts, ideas. People often make it sound like cooking is about originality, experimenting, and inspiration. However, it is really about learning the basics, honoring tradition, and respecting the wisdom of ages. To prepare the best of dishes, all you had to do was use time-honored traditions, not experiment with them. Cooking skills came from custom and traditions. Only when you are able to master them are you allowed to tweak them. A Sufi is thankful not only for what he's given, but also what he's denied. Painfully delicate and surprisingly strong, silk represents love. Love was for those looking for some rhyme or reason in this wildly spinning world. Control is like sand. The harder you try to hold it in your hands, the faster it escapes. While you learn to cook, your soul will simmer. Just a beautiful line, man. Just as clay needs to go through intense heat to become strong, love can only be perfected in pain. Because we are so desperate to win the approval of others, we'll never get rid of their criticisms, no matter how hard we try. Try not to resist the changes that come your way. Instead, let life live through you. And do not worry that your life is turning upside down. How do you know that the side you're used to is better than the one to come? God deals with each of us separately because humanity is a fine art of skilled penmanship, where every single dot is equally important for the entire picture. Drop your answer in the comments, from which country you are watching us. Share this video with your friends for learning English. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Comment and tell me what topic you want to practice next. Have a good time, everyone.